Anushka Bhujbal from Class 8, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Navegaon, Kheri. Navodaya Vidyalaya are established to provide good quality modern education, including strong component of culture, awareness of the environment, inculcation of values, co-education for the students mainly from rural areas. My life in Navodaya is versatile to provide exposure to my hidden talents through curricular and co-curricular activities. Navodaya provides utmost care to their students to make their environment healthy and friendly for the all-round development of students. Navodaya also offers innovation in science and technology through projects like Vigyan Jyoti, Adult Tinkering Lab, etc. Students are also excelling in sports and games to represent Navodaya in national. Students are also participating in Maths and Science Olympiad and other competition to take Navodaya in national and international level. Highly praiseworthy achievements are also noticed in CCA and other achievements like literacy activity in national and international level. Hostel life in Navodaya is a very good opportunity for students to make their future bright, and also we can learn from it the game of life. Navodaya also invites value and life skilling and empathy, trustworthy and other qualities in us to make us a perfect person for us. And I am proud to be Navodaya. Long live Navodaya. Thank you.
Namaskar, myself Ashok Kumar, PGT Biology from JNV Nagpur. I am a Navodayan because I have studied in Navodaya in JNV Mungeshwar, and now I am serving in JNV Nagpur as PGT Biology. So it is a little high responsibility of me to do something better for this Navodaya. As a subject expert or as a subject teacher, I can say that my last year subject average was 87%, and last year was also the 87%. So I am a bit maintaining this particular thing. Now, in terms of doing something innovative in my subject, we have done a very innovative practice, that is to dissect the dead animals, whatever we found in our campus. I always ask my students to bring all these things, whatever the dead animal they found in the campus, I ask them to bring it to me, and then we dissect it out, and then we try to find out that whatever the anatomy of different systems are there. So this was a very much, I will say, it is a good practice what we started last year. In terms of doing something for society or some pace setting activities, we have already done Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and also we went for Say No to Plastic campaign, where we went to the nearby villages and we spread the knowledge of not to use plastic in our daily life. Means whatever, how much we can use, or whatever in the less amount of plastic we can use, that is good for us, because it may cause cancer and many more things. Now, in terms of the caring for the students, as I have already mentioned that I have been a student of Navodaya, so it becomes very much indispensable for me to do something better for this Navodaya. So I always try to get into the heart of the students to find out whatever the problem they are facing in terms of academics, in terms of their family problems, or whatever it could be. I just want to help them as much as possible. In terms of shaping this life of a student, this particular thing I must not mention here, but the thing is this, that I have been there for the students to help them financially in terms of keeping their education or academics continue or without any without any disturbance. So I have always been with them. And the one more important thing that I can say, that I have always been in contact with my students, the students who have already passed from the Vidyalaya, just in terms of their subject expert. So whatever the problem they may be having in their life, they can share with me, and I'm always there to help them. So this is all what we have to tell you for this particular time. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Vardhan Indorkar. I done my schooling from Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nagpur. Pass out 2019. Currently, I am preparing for my medical exams. Navodaya gave me a lot along with studies. Navodaya is enriched in extracurricular activities like sports, music, and cultural activities. JNV is a system of school for talented students, predominantly from rural areas of India. JNVs are fully residential from classes 6 to 12th. In JNV, we are from any region, any religion. We live all together like a family. Teachers, faculties are well trained. They help us at every moment. Teachers chooses from across the country, live with us, and available for 24/7. Navodaya is like a family. JNV teaches how to become self-dependent. Navodaya give me a lot. Navodaya gives thousands of IAS, doctors, engineers. Most of the students passed from Navodaya are successful in their life, and I am proud to say